Yeah, back to the reason now. So Saturday the 21st of May, I booked my ticket to come to DR. When I reach at Gatwick Airport with that airline name, well, look at stupid airline name, Iberia. Iberia tell me out of Gatwick say, I cannot go to DR because when you go to DR, you have to stop at Spain for 2 hours and then you get a connected flight. The man with around the decks had checked me in full of attitude, him worse than me. No, him attitude is stink. So I see my talk and I beat up him chest. I say, me when I in a uniform, I deal with that. So the woman stand up saying, I want a little stiff woman in I said, Madam, what's your purpose? Like she said she work with the airline. So I said to her, I said, can you call some higher authority because I've been to there already and I've never used a visa. Them say I need a Shanghai visa because I'm going to stop at Spain. My friend looked it up and it said the only way you need a Shanghai visa unless you're going to spend 24 hours in Spain. But connected flight you don't. And the people them still not put me on the flight. So in my intelligent way, I just class them neat and nice and say to the woman, say, look at your colleague. His attitude is stink. Here and about sugar black me off I fly. I say black me pan flight, one now put me pan. One don't tell me say me nah go pan. And me and them argue come. Till my husband and Cool Bashman say come. I never go left out of the airport, you know. I go strip and go and thank God for my husband and Cool Bashman. And I just swear. I truth I say me stay. But me pay my money, girl. And them not put me on the flight. What you mean not the top? You think me a friend nobody with my own when I work and sweat for? You know much disrespect me getting a life for reach from me the girl for take my money. 600 odd pounds for come over here anyway. So I go again. Hey. When do we and dear say for come? I beg sinner, but I say try two man them. Let me give them a little respect and shut my mouth. Cause when them see me I done the woman and I just say to her say it's a you don't have good customer service. You want to reprimand me. Look at your worker. Because the man full of attitude that talk to me like me one puppy dog. So I just talk back to them like one puppy dog. But you me don't want them ban me. I just do it nice. Then Then I go back now and book a next ticket now and go. British Airways now. So British Airways fly from Heathrow Airport. Remember I was in Gatwick, London now. So Sunday now, I go British Airways and it fly. Where's up name where it fly? You know what I'm saying? I go Gatwick now. When I go Gatwick at British Airways now, I go stop at Spain. The same Spain where them say I couldn't go yesterday. I go stop at Spain for 1 hour. When I reach Spain now from British Airways now, I forget the connected flight within an hour. Spain airport is so massive, so them send me at Terminal 4. From Terminal 4 to where I was to go to Terminal 4, it take me 25 minutes to reach at the next part of the airport. Remember 1 hour time the next plane I go left. It's by the time you reach to full out the farm, the plane gone. Alright, I take deep breath and I say, you want good Queenie, you know that for run. God know why all of this happened, Queenie, so all the composure. In a Spain now, so I licked with some homeless people. Because I see them spread out in the airport asleep. I'm tired, you know. So I lie down in the airport with me and them. God bless you, you know, Queenie. Anyway, when I tag along investigate now, them send me back at the same Iberia decks. I say me for wait. I turn up in that line for around 2 hours. When I stand up and go, the man say I go book my car the flight. Already God say I book me for my flight Monday. Remember I still not getting a visa yet, you know. Remember them turn me back at Gatwick say me can't reach Spain, you know. So the man say I fly tomorrow. I'm full out the farm with them say the landing farm I'm for reach a Dominica. And them give me about my next landing. Where's something name? Where look up paper name? What them call it? Boarding pass. All who never get boarding pass is bad. When I do the boarding pass something now, the man said to me, say, no, the woman said, if I want to book a hotel, where none of them should I book hotel give me, you know. If I want to book a hotel, I can't go out into the town and I can't go over. I said, God no. Then but I not tell them what them do me yesterday at Gatwick, you know. So I said, no man, this can't be real. Even though I know it's real. You see the people that are homeless, I just ask them be a question. Buy them McDonald's. Hey, McDonald's dear over Spain. Ooh, I tell them some have some different type of hot girl, whether eyelash, whether cockroach or macroach. And rain. I don't know me a hot girl. Yeah, me is not popcorn. Yeah, that popcorn say easy. And give me one dirty look and see me I know like a little puppy that game, you know. At the first me I meet you. You man just say easy, me just say, whoa. Calm down, it's just alright, that's how I should have cussed him, you know. Right on spot. But true, I don't want to mash up the people them real never sure. I just hold my composure until the show is done. I just say, popcorn! You know Grammy. Hey, my love. Listen, hear me if you go on a joke. You do the two of them already, ready?
Yes, you done. You want me to squeeze it up with you?
Yeah, squeeze them, baby, because by the time I talk, them drop off. The camera, anybody want to go up on the camera, I'm not put it on it, baby, so don't worry. At the house, me I put on the camera. Yeah? So this is the recovery house, that's the dining area, the sitting area. You sit here. Place clean and nice. Yeah. Yeah, darling. Yeah. All who know want to go up on the camera and I forgot on the camera. Them know where them are coming. And this is the office and I come pay on the money. Anybody misbehave when I come in here. So, you know that big brother? You know the big brother house? Well. And this is back to the dining area. And those are the staff. You have the massages. You have this is the kitchen here. Right? That's the kitchen with the whole heap of food and something and the water. Because you know when you do the surgery you need a whole heap of water, fruits. Yeah, that's a going in there, sir. And then you have the room them upstairs. Oh, whole heap of girls. A beer cute driver over here. Them cute and look at this. Beer nice boy over here. The driver. So when you come now, this is the upstairs. How was it, darling? Beauty is paid, not come easy, baby. You have to go through the worst before you get the best. And your face look fresh and nice. So that means you have a good surgery, okay? Alright, baby. A girl Paul was saying we have to support each other. Then you have the people that will clean up and tidy up. The place clean, I can't give them that for sure. Very clean. You have princess room. You have queen room. You have Buddha's room. You have nurse station. Then you have hot girl Nikki Chrome over there, sir. See her there?